Let's check in on your markets now, starting off with the JSE. Local markets got a mixed handover from Asia. Despite that, markets are pretty upbeat rather, with investors digesting yesterday's rates decision and PPI data easing to 4.5% in February from 4.7% in January. So with that, the all share ending strong, up 0.85%. Financial 15, the only one in the red, down 0.13%. Industrials 25 gaining 0.6%, resources 10 shooting through, up 2.8%. Let's move over to your U.S. markets now. U.S. stocks edged higher in thinner trading ahead of the Easter break. This while investors awaited data, the PCE figures in particular, to gauge the Fed's policy path. With that, as you can see, it is green screens, even though tepid. S&P 500 showing more gains than the rest, up 0.14%. The Nasdaq gaining 0.06%, while the DAX is up 0.05%. Across the Atlantic now, we're also seeing green screens. That's as markets are on track to wrap up the first quarter of the year on a positive note. With that, the FTSE just gaining under 0.5%, the CAC 40 up 0.15%, and the DAX increasing by 0.18%. And now for a look at your currencies, starting off with the local units. The rand flirting around that 19 rand mark to the dollar, losing ground after the dollar strengthened as the U.S. economy continued to prove its resilience. We did see the rand hold gains against major currencies yesterday, but it's kind of lost ground today. The dollar to the rand under 19 rand, but at weaker at 18.95. The pound to the dollar also trading weaker at 23.95, and the euro to the rand at 20.47. Let's now take a look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar at 1.08, the pound to the dollar at 1.26, and the dollar to the yen just over 151.